Bartender, sexy bartender, we know why you're sexy, so your food nothing. They got dumpling no.
Bertie, get some of what? Let's see him.
Sorry, me no need to bother you. Go on and devour your food. Go on, try to win our money over here, sir. Yo, something wrong with this box like it broke or something. Every time we play, I lose. Bartender, put the next $1,000 on the box real quick. Let me try to bring back some more money.
No, my love. You have to pay me $2,300 plus the cheap cigarette for you take. No. What could I cause this? What really could I cause this? You need to tell me, say, you come up here and you go.
My girl, you're not for go on every day. I come up here and drink. You go on somewhere, just go on my yard and go get the money to forward down.
Hold on, where you go? Where are you going? Remember say I have to go pay for my cigarette, the cheap one, plus my 2,300. So you try to come here, so come pay for it. No.
My girl, my soon come up on my yard and I run and go get my billy dog.
It now work. It now go so. I need my money now in my hand.
But right there, so me I go know me. People know me about you.
Me don't know you.
You don't see me?
No.
Me never come in here?
No.
No, man, me the same one come after work every day.
No.
I want to go out in this.
Me not talk about my girl, you try to disrespect myself every day.
Hey, what
Me go open the yard and you left my money.
What go on, yes, sir?
You can't wait a minute.
What go on?
This so, him come and say man, $2,000 up on the box. Him take a beer and a cheap cigarette and him can't pay me.
But I told him my soul come over my yard, me I go, me left
That
my money
broke
up
and the
there.
argument done.
Broke where?
Anyways.
Hold on. Alice, come here. My boss, go on and come back here.
Alright, my gentleman, so
Yeah, man, go on and come.
Alice, tired to tell you. Don't put on the money on the box until you get the money. What I always say, pay before you play, though.
All is well.
The boss, what there, man?
Go on.
That's a little easy way I deal with, you see me?
Bye, Alice.
I'm here. I'm very sorry about that. It won't happen again.
Alright, yeah, well. Just take off and run her back and cool off. Go run off the bathroom. Call you again, you see?
Alright. Yeah.
So, what go on in general?
All in that day's work, eh?
Tell me about it. I'll tell you.
So, what going with the young one?
She alright in my boss, but it seems like I just teach him a little customer service, you see me? Because she put money upon the box for your brother play, and we never know the brother that lose her $2,000 you see me?
Yeah.
Try to tell them, don't put on the money upon the box until they get the money in your hand. So business go.
I hear you, bro, fam. But it's when me walk in a while ago, me hear you with the solution. If you don't pay, you can't play. So here we are gonna do. We are gonna just put sign on the box then. So all customers will come in, know say what? Them have to pay before they play. But you don't know how young people them and them have them issues. And they appreciate saying you don't give up on them, you try to, you know? Steer them and correct them, you see?
Yeah, but my boss, man, you don't know a young generation now to groom them still, you see me? So, what go on, you make a round?
Yeah, you know, just to make a quick slide through, you see? So, how things otherwise? You don't need nothing, you don't need no stock or nothing.
Yeah, man, my general, I'm a good man, you see? As a matter of fact, I just come from town with some goods, not to be really done, pack out everything yet, you know?
Yeah, man. Oh, before me forget, you remember this lady, Miss Xpressionz, when did help with getting back the ladies then? Well, I have a little thing I'm going with her, where we are going to just have some little seminars and, you know, teach them how to get into and how to function in the workspace. And we're going to invite them to come sit down and hold a listening. You know what I mean?
Yeah man, King man, you know that's a good idea. I kinda sound like it have been a little customer service lesson and you know them need it still, you know. Yeah man, I welcome that man, I'm glad for that man.
Right, that's so. So you don't know.
Yeah man, my boss man.
You're not sliding out, but if you need anything, just knock it, yeah.
Will do man, respect man. See you general.
Yeah man.